Good morning, everyone. For this morning, we will be having the collaborative test. And for this 10-item test, let us now start. Number 1. If a plus b equals 1 and a squared minus b squared equals negative 3, what is the value of a minus b? Since we know that a squared minus b squared equals the quantity of a plus b multiplied by the quantity of a minus b, then negative 3 equals 1 multiplied by a minus b. Therefore, a minus b equals 3. So the answer is letter A. Question number 2. The sum of three consecutive integers is negative 54. What is the largest integer? Suppose that the integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Then x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals negative 54. If you will combine the 3x, so the result is 3x plus 3 equals negative 54. Then just simply transpose positive 3 to the other side, so it becomes 3x equals negative 54 minus 3. So the result is that 3x equals negative 57. By using the division property of equality, there you have x equals negative 19. So the integers are negative 19, negative 18, negative 17. Thus, the larger integer are negative 17. Next, if y equals 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x, then y squared is equal to, since y is equal to 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equivalent to y equals 4.2 to the power of x. Thus, y squared equals 4.2 to the power of x raised to the second power. Therefore, just simply distribute the second power or the second degree. So it becomes 4 squared times 2 raised to the power of 2x equals 4 squared times 4x equals, since 2 and x are both exponents, so just simply add the two digits, so it becomes 4 raised to the power of 2 plus x. So the answer is letter E. Number 3. If the length of a rectangle is 8 more than 3 times the width, then the simplified for its perimeter is, suppose length equals L, width equals W, then L equals 3 width plus 8. Thus, perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Therefore, it will be equal to 2 times 3 width plus 8 plus width equals, just simply combine. What will you suppose to combine? That's why there you have 2 times 4 width plus 8. So it will be equal to 8 width plus 16. That's why the answer is letter A. Number 4. If xy equals 1 and x squared plus y squared equals 2, find the value of x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. So there you have x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 equals x
This is a
squared plus
demonstration
y
of
squared
Wirecast.
raised to the power of 2 minus 2 times the quantity of xy raised to the power of 2. Then there you have 2 squared minus 2 times 1 squared. That's why 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the answer is letter B. If xy, question number 5 by the way, if xy equals 12,
This
yz
is a
equals
demonstration
20,
of Wirecast.
xz equals 15, and x is greater than 0, determine the product xyz. So the solution will be xy times yz times xz equals 12 times 20 times 15. Then that's why x squared y squared z squared equals 3600. So since x, y, and z both have the
This is
power
a
of 2,
demonstration of
so there you have
Wirecast.
x, y, z raised to the power of 2 equals 3600. So since all the variables raised to the power of 2, so just simply get the square root of 3600 now. So that's why xyz equals 60. So that's why the answer is letter D. Number 6. Okay, I'm
This
sorry.
is a
Number 6.
demonstration of Wirecast.
If x times y equals x to the power of y plus x to the power of x, what is z if 2 times z equals 100? Since 2 times z equals 2z plus z squared, remember that 100 equals 64 plus 36, right? So it will be equal to, since 64 is equal to
This
2
is a
raised to the power of
demonstration of
6 and
Wirecast.
36 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. Then there you have 2 to the power of 6 plus 6 squared is equal to z equals 6. That's why the answer is letter C. Number 7. If x minus y over x plus y equals 5, what is x over y? So just simply use cross
This is a
multiplication.
demonstration of
So
Wirecast.
there you have x minus y equals 5 times x plus y. So x minus y equals 5x plus 5y. And then combine like terms, x minus 5x equals 5y plus y. Negative 4x equals 6y. So x over y equals negative 6/4.
This
So
is
that's
a
why the answer is
demonstration of
letter C.
Wirecast.
Number 8. What value of x that satisfy equation square root of 27 minus x equals 4? Square root of 27 minus x equals 4. So just simply raise the two equations into the second power. So it becomes square root of 27 minus x raised to the power of 2 equals 4
This is a
squared.
demonstration of
So just
Wirecast.
simply cancelled out the 2 since, so it becomes 27 minus x equals 16. 16 is coming from 4 squared. So there you have negative x equals 16 minus 27. Negative x equals negative 9. That's why x equals 9. So the answer is letter D. Last item. If x plus y
This is a
equals 5
demonstration of
and x squared
Wirecast.
plus 3xy plus 2y squared equals 40, what is the value of 2x plus 4y? So there you have x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared equals 40. Since x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus the quantity of xy plus y squared equals 40. X plus y raised to the power of 2 plus x plus y plus y
This
times
is a
y rather
demonstration of
equals
Wirecast.
40. So that's why 5 squared plus 5y equals 40. 5y equals 40 minus 25. So 40 minus 25 is 15. That's why there you have y equals 3. Now substitute y equals 3 to the expression or to the equation x plus y equals 5. So there you have x plus 3 equals 5. So x equals 2.
This
Thus,
is a
the value
demonstration
of
of
2x plus 4y
Wirecast.
is 2 times 2 plus 4 times 3 equals 4 plus 12 equals 16. So the answer is letter B. So I think that's all for today. So goodbye and thank you.